Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you definition of operation research. Operation research is a tool employed to increase the effectiveness of managerial decisions as an objective supplement to the subjective feeling of the decision maker. Operation research is the application of method of science to complex problems in the direction and management of large system of man, machine, material and money in industry, business, government and defense. Operation research helps in better and improved decision making. Operations research OR is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in the management of organizations. In operation research, problems are broken down into basic components and then solved in defined steps by mathematical analysis. For more videos like this, please subscribe Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.